Hi guys, I just want to go over this French France Illy espresso maker. Just want to show you that the working function of it. I bought this on I think it was eBay because I didn't want to buy the pods. Well, whatever, you know what it is. I'll show it to you in the pictures. I got coffee in there. I just wanted to brew a real small pot for you to show you the functionality of it. I don't quite know how to work it, but I'm going to hit this button and hold it and see what happens. Yeah, I gotta, the thing's it's in good shape, pretty clean. You know, it has some use to it, but it doesn't look like it's neglected, and pump's working fine. I got good water in there. I only use reverse osmosis water. I've never used it. I'm just reselling it, guys. Hold on. Sid, can you put this cup under there, please? 1, 2, 3, go. Go. I might have to hit it. Oh, you're supposed to stop it. Oh, whatever. But that's it, guys. Thank you.